One thing that I really love about living in Washington is we have so many cool native and non-native conifer species. Like, look at this. Here they are from a different angle. Japanese maples are my childhood. My grandparents had one in their front yard growing up. So soft and fuzzy, I love it. The city of Linwood really needs to take a weed whacker to this whole strip. I just want to know how the hell this happens. Here we have a cotoneaster growing out of a prunus. Hello, little pollinator friends. And thank you for all you do. Road succulents! Here we have some really gorgeous roadies hidden behind some really crusty, dusty, ugly looking ones. Bunny! Another bunny! Whatever you do, do not call this a wandering Jew. New leaf! Deep purple Japanese maple. Deep crimson red Japanese maple.